Living organisms have an ability to respond to changes in their internal and external environments. These external or internal changes are known as stimuli. However, to bring a reaction to these changes, the stimuli should be strong enough. Light, sound, heat, chemicals, and mechanical or physical vibrations can be considered as stimuli. These stimuli are recognized by sensory organs such as eye, ear, nose, tongue, and skin. Any behavior of a living organism that results from an external or internal stimulus is a response. According to this diagram, heat is the stimulus and hand moving away is the response. The ability that living organisms have to respond to the changes in their internal or external environment or stimuli is irritability. In this case, it is the ability to move the hand away as a response to the stimuli, the source of heat. So, as we can see here, to respond to a stimuli, there should be a harmony between nerves, muscles, and hormones. The harmonious functioning of interrelated organs and parts to respond to a certain stimulus is known as coordination. So, nerves, muscles, and hormones are important in nervous and endocrine coordination in animals. Plants also show responses to different stimuli. You can refer the movement episode to understand the responses of plants for their different stimuli.